Orimi, Ejika. Come on, let's go. Another come again. Are you ready? There are two black birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Oh, come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Oh, come back. Little black bird and sit and sit and sit. Mosquito, mosquito. Why are you biting me? Every time I go to bed. Win, win. Win, win. Win, win. Win, win. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my dear lady. Go to see her, build it up, build it up, build it up. Go to see her, build it up, my dear lady. Come and go to see her, I am done, I am done, I am done. Go to see her, I am done, my dear lady. Come and London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down. I really don't boo, my son. I sent you to school. You don't know how to spell your name. Don't boo, my son. I sent you to school. You don't know how to spell your name. H-I-P for the hip, for the hippopo. P-O-P-O for the hippopo. And T-N-U-S for the hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. 1, 2, buck my shoe. 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, shoot your gun. 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 Let's go. 1, 2, okay, shoot. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, shoot the mummies. 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 Táyìnkẹ́ ò bá ti lè jójú mi lọ, no gift for her. Táyìnkẹ́ bá jójú mi lọ, I'm gonna give her a gift. So DJ, fire down for me and Táyìnkẹ́. Put back now. One more contestant. One more, just dance. You're not dancing. Go. Oh, yes, that right. 2, 1. Oh, yes, that right. Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. Just dance. Come on. Just dance. 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 Just Hello. Please, you take the picture later, sir. Mama, you take the picture later. You will take the picture later, please. You will take the picture later. I need 12 good contestants. Hey, see, come on, go back. None of you must pass the speaker here. Don't cross the line. Once you cross this line, you are going no. 12 good contestants. Yes, 12. 6 boys and 6 girls. Don't stand up where you are standing. Hello, listen to me. Hello, don't sound me. Don't say sound from me. Do you understand? Just make sure that you are dancing. Just make sure that you are dancing. DJ, fire down. Once you dance, I better call you. Just dance, don't come forward. Just dance. You can't be sitting down and you expect me to call you. DJ, fire down. 6 boys and 6 girls.
Exclusive at vanguard.com.
Let's go. Once I touch you, just go back to your seat. Once I touch you, just go back to your seat. Once I touch you, just go back to your seat.
You are my brother.
Come on. Once I touch you, just go back to your seat. Yes. Once I touch you, go back to your seat.
You are my brother.
Once I touch you, go back to your seat. Once I touch you, just go back to your seat. Let's go. Only one person is going over this gift. Only one person is going over this gift. Only one person is going over this gift. Watch, go. What's it? This is good talk and this is like if you're not clapping, it's okay for you. Break it down. A round of applause for them. A round of applause for them. A round of applause for them. Come on. seconds more. 50 seconds more. Five seconds more. 3 seconds more. 2 seconds more. 1 second. 0 seconds. 2 seconds. Yeah. I want to take the DJ. Break it down. Break it down, DJ. Come on. I love that energy. I love that energy. Thank you, man. I love that energy. Face this side. Come on, face me. Eh? Okay. Now you go Wakabi. You don't have to lose hope. There is hope in everything. The boy don't give up self. He don't talk and say, "Nami go Waka." Alright, wait. Oh my God, it's offering Nami go Waka. Oh, that's the first time I lose hope. Could they echo ribe? Somebody bad day be a room aba. Alright, come on, let's go. Go and stay. Let me see that your hand. Wait. This is stay. This is stay. If you want him to go, say go, bye, go. Wait. Go or stay. Go or stay. I know this one too is go. Go or stay. Go or stay. All right, come on. I love that energy. Come on, take. God bless you, my darling. Eh?
Mosilu Babatunde, President Vanguard,
Asiza,
Karina Ijapata.
You think it's a joke?
Olórí olórí ń jẹ́ olórí kankan gbọ́dọ̀ bọ́ọ̀mù lórí pé olórí jọ lórí lọ.
Let's go, come on.
Olórí olórí ń jẹ́ olórí kankan gbọ́dọ̀ bọ́ọ̀mù lórí pé olórí jọ lórí lọ. Musiliu Ìṣọ̀lá lọ́síwájú yín níbi kákọ́rí àpàlà tó fọwọ́ yọ o. Ẹ lọ bẹ̀ sọ́nà yín gbogbo yín o, ẹ lọ kẹ́nu dákẹ́.
Let's go. One person is going on. You are not clapping. Go Asiza.
Ọmọ egungun yọ mí. Orin bá dùn bí ọdún ẹni gbọ̀n wò lómi awí. Àwa ni bàbá ẹyẹ máa ṣàgídí. Orin bá dùn bí ọdún ẹni gbọ̀n wò lómi awí. Àwa ni bàbá ẹyẹ máa ṣàgídí. kákọrin kódà ìṣọ̀lá ńlá síwájú orin tó mọ̀ pọ́yọ̀ ìṣọ̀lá ńlá síwájú orin gidi ìṣọ̀lá ńlá síwájú mo sì lè yọ ọmọ ìgbógun jọ bí.
Let's go, switch.
mo ti wá rí báyé kí n tọ́ ìwé wa mo ti ṣe bàbá ọmọ àgbà o. ẹ̀yin àgbà
Go and bring another cup for the girl.
ẹ̀yin àgbà o oye ẹ̀yin àgbà tẹ́ bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àṣẹ yìí ẹ má lọ́jọ́ wá sí mi tó ṣòro.
Bring another cup for the girl. DJ, hold it. Oh yeah, take one cup to calm your nerves. Oh yeah, we are broken transmission. Oh yeah, take. Are you good to go now? Are you true? If you can't finish for the second round, after the second round we have the third round. DJ. Stop it. You stop it. You stop it. Stop. Okay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay.
Hello. Waka means you should go away from the stage. Stay means you should stay there. So if you want her to stay, you say stay. If you want her to go, you say waka.
Alright, you ready now? Waka or stay. Wait. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Wait. Listen to me carefully. This is Sembo. Isiwo. Between Isiwo and ijebu, where's the winner? They're having the same gift now. Yes. I give it to that. If you think it is easy, come forward. Alright, come on, let's go. Are you ready, sir? The photographer, are you ready, sir? Come on, let's go. Are you ready? One more shot, please. After this game now, another game is coming your way. Show them your money. Show them your money. Nobody's collecting your money. Show them your money. Show them. Raise your money. Raise your gift up. Show them. Fly the money very well. I'm a ladies of paper. All right, let's go. Come on. Alright, can you just check yourself? Check yourself. Come on, check it. Aziza, come on, shake your key. Shake Rocky, shake Rocky. That is a wonderful. Yeah, go and say thank you to Daddy. Go and say thank you. Go and appreciate. Come on. Daddy, thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir. Mommy, thank you very much. God bless you. Daddy, thank you very much. God bless you. Another game is coming your way now. Stopping. Who's stopping? Who's stopping? Who's stopping? Alpha. 2, 3, go! After the count of 10, 20, don't bother studying again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Come on. How much we get again? Yeah, come on. Clap, 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 clap. Clap. Can you stand up, sir? Don't touch the game, just stand up. it down. Break it down. Now, what you just have to do with that gele, daddy can't be on seat and mommy, you will just tie gele anyhow for them. So you have to catwalk with that gele now, one after the other. So you will go there, you will catwalk, you go and meet daddy, you shake for daddy, you shackle for daddy like a woman. You come back here again, you will come and shake that head for me. Don't touch the gele. Just catwalk to go and meet daddy and mommy. They will examine you very well, they will clap for you. All what you need to do is just for you to come back here and you shake that head for me very well. Do you understand? Please, can you go this way, sir? Go this way, sir. Go this way, sir. So, sir, thank you, sir. That's what, sir. That's what for daddy. That's for daddy.
If I keep you please, you know, I don't punish you, I want to punish you, if you see my baby, I'm going to find, but you will go to me, baby, I know, it's one for you, open my door, go back to the
Next year, you will see bouncing castle like 10. Gorilla. Yes, you will see them. Popcorn, candle flocks. Yes, chin-chin, suya. Next year, by God's grace. Thank you very much, sir.
Children, are you happy? Are you happy? Are you so happy? There's this song. If you are happy and you know. I don't know the song, you know it, so leave me on. Leave me on. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, jump up. Don't wound yourself, jump up a little. If you are happy and you know, please jump up. If you are happy and you know, make some noise. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. You are welcome to the show this year. This is supposed to be a show for every year to involve you children, make you happy, make you to know yourselves more, make the coming to isiwo for Ileya festival to be fun, to be a fun and interesting outing. It's not just to stay at home and your parents will kill their ram and you now go back to your places of abode. You're supposed to come out here and make yourself happy, get to know yourself, warm up yourself, exercise yourself, and listen to participate in competitions that makes you grow to be a big man and a big woman. I'm sure you all want to be big man and big women in future. Hello? Hello? I'm sure you all are looking up to become doctors, lawyers, engineers, and administrators. I can't hear that, yes? Yes. I pray you become what you want to be in future and good ambassadors of Nigerian citizen, good ambassadors of isiwo citizen and Ogun State at large. The activity this year is a minimal one. From today, we are planning to have next year own, to give it a mega outlook. so that you all will enjoy yourselves very well. You will look up to it. You come here, you go back with great gifts, big gifts from parents, uncles, brothers, sisters, and the rest of them. And I want to enjoy you today. Ensure that you enjoy yourself and make some fun. Don't wound yourself. Be a good children. And I pray you continue to grow up well. I pray you continue to grow up well. I pray you continue to grow up well. In the mighty name of God. Yes, some of you that will be participating in competitions today will be ambassadors to be showcased tomorrow at the Ojudoba Festival. You know Ojudoba is tomorrow. Ojudoba Lamodi is tomorrow. And some of you that will be champions today will be paraded tomorrow as champions, and will attract a lot of gifts. We will enjoy a lot of recognitions, and by next year we will be the ambassadors for these events. To this end, I want you to just be gentle, play with yourselves, no abuse, no any rush. Don't wound yourself. And I'm sure you will enjoy it very well. But next year own will be bigger, will be more exciting, and will be very, very good with you. Thank you all. I pray for more Ileyas and more annual festivals to come. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not to this, put your hands for Daddy, man. Put your hands together for Daddy. Put your hands together for Daddy. Say, Daddy, we love you. All right, thank you very much, sir. What a boy can do, a girl can do better.
You don't see me coming. Are you ready for me? Everything like okay. Bring the love, they like great.
Simple as ABC.
When I go and see the enter, then I don't bring you to it by my love.
Come on.
She don't want to see me talk. I don't give them back to say no, I know. Please, man. Many.
DJ is okay. It's okay, DJ. DJ is okay. Unless you want me can stone you, collect one biscuit. It be like say the Tyson will worry you. Collect one biscuit for us. What's your name? Adife, where are you from? Ijebu. Which part of Ijebu? Ijebu Isiwo. Do you live in Lagos or Ijebu Isiwo?
Lagos.
Which part of Lagos? Eh? Ikorodu. Come on. Where are you from? Which part of Where do you live? Which part?
Garage.
Garage. Sabo garage or Ikorodu garage? Which garage? Ikorodu garage. Okay, around that area. So where do you live? Ikorodu. Which part of Ikorodu? Diroko. Come on, I love that. Alright, my darling, shake them, give them 5, shake them. Shake them. Yeah, shake your customer. Alright. Where are you from? Shiwo. Where are you from? Shiwo. Where are you from? Shiwo. Home base, right? Home base, yes, home base. A round of applause for them. Come on. Anything I do, make sure you do it. If I not do it, I won't do it. I don't have time. If you want no person,
I'm not the sick, you won't give me medicine. I don't want you, you have me spend my money. Allow me to enjoy myself, allow me to enjoy myself, allow me to enjoy myself, allow me to enjoy, allow me to enjoy myself, allow me to enjoy myself, allow me to enjoy myself. I love you. I'm a winner, I'm a winner. Just believe that I'm a winner. Just believe it, I'll never do it like you. Just believe I'm a director. Baby, do it like I do it, how I do it. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself.
Change the piece of it, let's go fire down and this. Let me fast, let me fast.
Allow me to enjoy myself. Love is not enough, baby. Come to me, Modo. Love me or you hate me, know me. Come mess with me.
That's a shoe, what's your shoe?
When I speak to 50, come along, eat. You say things are nothing. In a Maserati, take it baby easy. Time by like easy. You won't keep.
Let's go, let's go.
Hello, sweet melody.
Let's go.
Me, I just want to be high.
If you guys say this, you can reach you.
I don't understand. Fire down for the last round. Let's go. Stretch your hands, stretch your legs. Come on, put your fire down, fire down, fire down. Let's go.
Yeah, oh my God, what you say I want things to let go, shoot my God, can you just beat down to let go? Should buy me by facing, pull up, should I wanna be, pull up, should
Last game. Go back to your seats. No contestant. Others, bye-bye. Others, when we started this from fear, this is our first queen then. A round of applause for her. If you know you are tired, just signify. If you know you are tired, it's not by force. If you know you are tired, just do like this. Oh yeah, let's go. What is that for Tony? 5, 6, 7, 8. Wàjẹ́lẹ́ báyìí wá gbé ẹ̀bà fún ẹ, o máa ní kọjá kọjá àárọ̀ lálẹ́. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16. Àwọn ìyá yìí ṣe pẹ̀ fún mi.
play. You will dance.
Musiliru Babatunde, President Baba Dakwara, Karina Yabata Bata. Sanko lórí olórí ń jẹ́ olórí kankan gbọ́dọ̀ bá ń lórí pé. Let's go. Sanko lórí olórí ń jẹ́ olórí kankan gbọ́dọ̀ bá ń lórí pé. Olórí lọ. Musiliru Ìṣọ̀lá Aṣíwájú yín níbi kákọrin àbàlà tó mọ bóyá o. Ẹ̀nà gbèsòdò yín gbogbo yín o. Ẹ̀nà gbẹ́nu dákẹ́. Bátúndé Ìṣọ̀lá ọmọ egungun jọ.
30 seconds more.
Ó ń ká dùn ẹni dùn ọ̀hún lórí awí. Aláni bàbá ẹyẹ ńlá àṣàgídí. Bóyá bá dùn bí èdùn ẹni dùn ọ̀hún lórí awí. Aláni bàbá ẹyẹ ńlá àṣàgídí.
Break it down. Come on. Alaja, wetin be this? Alaja, wetin be this? Alaja, wetin be this?
Be careful what you do. Baby, the girl child.
Come on.
Be careful who you love.
Yeah. If she want to carry us. What Alájà àṣègbéyàwó lẹ́yìn gbogbo àṣègbéyàwó Zinolisky kọ́lá pé o. Come on. Wàláì àwọn ọmọ mi tó wọ́n jù mẹ́ ẹ ló ẹ kọ́ wọn. Rihanna Beyonce. Please, can you just move back? Move back. Ẹ má kọ́ mi sílẹ̀ fún bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o. Ẹ yẹ move back. All right, DJ hold it, DJ hold it. Spread out your hand. Spread out.
Don't walk, you won't try. You're supposed to be try.
5 minutes more. Come on.
When I land softly on this sofa.
So far, so good.
Let me see you. Let me see you.
Where's the touchy? Thank you very much, Mara. Where's the touchy? Just give it to your seat. Where's the touchy? Just give it to your seat. Give more. Where's the touchy? Give it to your seat. That's all. Thank you very much, man.